Okay, this is William Vinson, yeswilliam.com. Today, I'm, I guess, experimenting on this program because I've been having some troubles with it. I did pretty good the first time out, but I can't seem to find that training program again. I guess I'm going to have to go back over some videos about that. But yesterday I didn't have any audio, or it turned out it didn't have much anyway, so I went back and I think I figured out how to do that. And today, um, I've got the audio fixed, and I think I figured out what I did wrong there. And so I'm gonna go back over what I did yesterday as far as the apps, because there were 5 of them yesterday. I think I got 7 of them today. Found 2 more overnight, so we can work on the 2 new apps too and see what about them. This time, at least you can hear me. That'd be the good thing about it from yesterday to today, in case you was having trouble yesterday hearing me. Anyway, here we go. We're gonna get right into this. Try this like this and see if it works. We get up to, let's go to the first, oh, here's the first one right here. Cash Pirate. Cash Pirate goes on your phone, looks like. At least that's the way they're advertising. You get paid for trying free apps, completing surveys, and watching videos. Get rewarded. They also got cash back on all your cards. So if you're going to go out buying anything anyway, you may as well get money back. And they pay you through PayPal. Now, I'm not promoting any of the, well, I've got a link on a couple of them, but I'm not really promoting any of these things. I'm just giving you examples, or giving you some ways that you can go to make money, because the apps and everything that you're going to be buying to be able to make videos and to be able to learn to marketing, and just in general, the learning curve is going to, you will go through this too. You watch and see, and hopefully you'll learn more from their videos, because for some reason or another, a lot of their videos are really bad as far as teaching you anything. And maybe some of the developers out there will understand this and start making it a little bit easier. They know all these things, and we're trying to learn them. But, they act like, they're talking way above us about things that we don't even know about, and they need to come down a little bit to where we are. So anyway, back to Cash Pirate. Here's all you got to do. You download and register. You collect coins, pirate coins or something, and when you get enough of the coins, you redeem them for gift cards or cash by swapping your coins. And you can make money referring your friends. So if you refer your friends, you get 10% of all their earnings, as well as 5% of all the friends your friends referred. So you got 3 levels deep there you can make money from, and coins from. Then we go over to the next one. This is swag bucks. I don't know why I got to ask Wonder in that search engine, but you can get paid for searching too. In the search engine there, they'll pay you for that. You get the swag button. It's a button on your computer or your phone, maybe. I don't know. I haven't got one on my phone yet, but you get paid for your opinion. If you're not a member of Sam's Club, you can get emails here. You get 20 swag bucks just for signing up for their emails. After you get your bucks, I guess you can unsubscribe from their emails, and you could watch these videos and earn big. And there's an arrow there pointing to more things. So I imagine, so you got a whole bunch of more stuff. Refer a friend, you get 10% of theirs for life. And like I was on the other one, I don't know if this one goes 3 deep, but this one, the other one did anyway. So this one might also get 200 swag bucks for answering surveys. But you can see it's a way to build up points. Basically all it is. Doing different things, videos, playing games, checking out apps, that sort of thing, to be able to make money, trade it in, and they pay you PayPal. Well, most of them do. I'm not betting every one of them does, but most of them do anyway. Okay, this is feature points. You get the same thing. Here it is. You can see on the front, you can get paid for using your cards, but you can get paid for completing surveys. You can download apps to try the games and apps to earn points. So all you got to do, it says just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. Pretty easy way to make money, looks to me. Share it with your friends. Here's another one you share, so you make points from sharing with your friends. They pay you in. It says you can redeem your points for a huge selection of gift cards, including Amazon, PayPal. Now PayPal is the main one because you can pay for your apps and all kinds of things on PayPal. I don't know about all the rest of that stuff. I know if you're going to be drinking a lot of coffee, if you're a Starbucks person, that might be, but it won't help you pay for your apps. And this one, Clout Pay. Now, I've signed on to this thing every time I've come here this morning. And I guess every time I go away, it goes away. But look at here. $130 paid, 12 seconds. Well, we're not worried about him, are we? Worried about us and why it's not signing me in. There we go. So here you go. You get refer friends, you get clicks, download apps, $10. Now look at all the money you get. And for creating a YouTube video, you earn $50. Maybe I ought to put this video through there and see if they'll pay me $50 for making my video. But that's Clout Pay. Then we move over to Cloudflare. Well, this is the one that won't keep me signed in up or whatever. Anyway, we'll get past that. I think that's twice with Clout Pay, isn't it? Okay, so we don't need to do Clout Pay twice. Here's Ask Wonder. Ask Wonder's another one of those too. You get whatever kind of research they do, and it says become an analyst. You can help them. But I mean, it's same thing as the others. What you're doing is answering questions and taking surveys and do all kinds of things like that. And they need everybody's help, so they're asking for help. And down here at the bottom, right there, it says apply here. So you can earn while you learn there. And see how they do this, the future knowledge delivery. So you get to go through all those things too. Well, you'll have to explore it. I didn't do a whole bunch. I just looked for things to make money. Here is Inbox Dollars. Now, Inbox Dollars does a lot of the same thing. You get paid to take surveys, watch TV, play games, how-to videos, like us on Facebook. Look, they even pay you for liking them. Confirm your first paid emails. So all you got to do, the first one, you get $5 just for signing up to it. So you can go to that and just make $5 today just doing that. Here you got Get SlideJoy. I think this might be an advertising thing, but it's for putting apps on the phone. If you're an app maker, this would be real good for you. So maybe you might be one of those, and you just happen to look up at the right time and catch all of this. I don't know how to make an app yet, but I'm probably going to have to learn that one day. And then Clout Pay. That's different than the other one back there. Let's see what the other one was. Well, no, it's not different, is it? Clout Cash Club, sorry. Not Clout Pay, it's Clout Cash Club. Sound a lot alike anyway. You get to share your opinions, earn rewards, take surveys, and get paid. All the same way. Fill out your name and your email address and start earning. All you got to do is just jump in and do it. So this is a whole bunch of ways, and I had to go back and count them all to make sure I got them all the right number of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, there ain't 9 of them. I think there's only 7 of them, so evidently 2 of them aren't right. But you got to see them all anyway, so maybe y'all can figure it out on your own. Okay, now if this video happens to turn out good enough to be able to publish, I'm going to send it to you so you can watch it. And if you don't, I'm going to figure out what I did wrong, and I'm going to do it again till I get it right. And eventually I'm going to get it right, and you'll learn something. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you make plenty of money to be able to afford to learn how to be a marketer too. Okay, till tomorrow, in case I don't have to do this again, y'all have a great day.